Are you filling out the Twitch affiliate tax interview and you're under 18? Well, we've got some information that you absolutely need to know before you progress forward. The first thing, let's get it out the gate, is what you need to do to qualify for Twitch affiliate. First of all, you need to at least have 50 followers, and over the past 30 days, you need to have at least 500 minutes of stream time, 7 unique broadcast days, and an average of 3 concurrent viewers or more. But what if you're under 18? You need to be at least 13 years or older. All right, if you're under 13 years old, unfortunately, you will not be qualified for the Twitch affiliate program. The next thing is you need to get parental consent. Yes, I know if you're 17 and a half or maybe older than that or maybe close to that, you're probably saying, why do I need to get my parents' consent? Unfortunately, it's the rules that Twitch puts out, not me. The next thing is you must fill out that tax interview for Twitch. Otherwise, you can't get access. There's no way around it. So if you want to have emotes, sub badges, channel points, or any of those other perks, you've got to fill it out. Even if you're saying, I don't want the money, I just want all those extra things, well, guess what? You still need to do the tax interview. Even if you live outside of the United States, they still require that tax information. Even if you don't file taxes in your region, you still need to submit it. So that's going to be in the form of a social security number. It could be an employer identification number. It could be a tax ID. What I would recommend is reach out to a tax professional for some better guidance, because I'm not going to be able to give you the right answer in this video. The next thing we need to address is understanding your parents' reservations. So I'm going to cover some of the main reservations that parents have. Can they trust Twitch? Okay, yes. The thing is, it's owned by Amazon, a publicly traded company, and it's a pretty big deal, and they got to keep everything above board, and in doing so, they need tax information. So whether it is your social security number, or it's your parents' social security number, or it's an EIN, or it's a TIN, either way, they need that because they gotta report that stuff at the end of the year. Will they have to file your earnings with their yearly taxes? A yes. That's actually, it goes without saying, anytime you're making any type of a living, that needs to be reported in taxes, at least here in the United States. No, Twitch will not take care of your taxes for you, nor are they going to charge you anything, all right? All they're going to do is get your tax information, and at the very end of the year, when it's all closed up, they're going to send out a 1099, which is a fancy tax form that you're going to use for filing your taxes. Again, outside the US, consult a tax pro. The next big question, and I've already kind of addressed it, is will Twitch charge you anything? No. They will pay you something, but they will not charge you. I've been on the platform for about 5 years now, and they have never charged me a dime. Now, keep in mind that if your paychecks are really small, you're probably not going to get any payouts till it's a certain threshold, which I believe it's like $100. But nonetheless, you will not be charged. So don't ever expect to see anything being pulled from your bank account. They're only going to be depositing things into your bank account or sending out a check in some instances or paying you through PayPal. Here's the reality, and this is something you can share with your parents, and you can even have them watch this video. The reality of the situation is that most Twitch affiliates don't really make much money at all. I mean, it's going to be a minute amount. So if you have a child that's become a Twitch affiliate and you're concerned that they're going to make so much money that's going to affect your tax bracket, relax. The chances of that happening is very, very slim, because a vast majority of Twitch affiliates make pocket change on a given month. And here's the worst case scenario, and I'm talking to those of you that are minors, those that are under the age of 18. If your parents say you can't do it, unfortunately, is the reality of the situation. So you're just gonna have to wait until you turn 18, and you can make that decision for yourself. In the meantime, you would want to probably respect their decision, because ultimately they're taking care of you, right? Hey, I've got a full video based on Twitch troubleshooting. We talk a little bit more about some of these things we discussed in this video. It's right actually over here. And if you've already seen that one, you're not interested, you can always take a look at this one. YouTube says you'd like it. I'll see you in either one.